Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you how I engrave these tumblers using the WeCreat Vision 20-watt laser engraver and cutter. And I'm going to start installing the rotary set attachment. Here is the rotary attachment and I'm going to place it up here on this side of the machine. You see this pin right here. This one will go in this hole and we need to get these two screws. So we're going to just take them out. Now I'm going to put this one in the hole over there. And I'm going to put the screws back. Now I'm going to use this one. You have to tie this one very well so your attachment is not moving, and you will notice it that you didn't do because this one is going to be loose, but now this is fine. Then you are going to plug this one right here in this hole, and you just find the holes that matches, see, and then just push. Now we are going to put the tumbler there, but this device is also for holding the tumbler straight. So we are going to raise this one like this a little bit so the tumbler can sit up here. And we are going to put this one right here. And we are going to put it like this. And I'm going to secure here. And this tumbler is kind of curvy, so I won't put a level, but I just fix this one so it can just barely hold it so it can turn. So it has to just go around like this. Now the tumbler is ready and I'm going to turn the machine to start engraving. This is the design that I chose, and because my tumbler is black, I have to change the color of the design in something bright. Then click on laser cylindrical. Then click on material, and I chose stainless steel tumbler black. And at the bottom you will see a guide of the settings, and you can choose the lightest or darkest color that you want. Then enter the diameter of the tumbler and click on Fill Engrave. And I'm using the default settings. Then I turn on the machine, and as you can see in the camera, the tumbler is upside down, so you have to turn the image and position it on top. And it is amazing to see how fast and perfectly the WeCreat laser engraver machine works. And this is the first tip: place a piece of wood under the tumbler so you can see better in the camera. And this is the finished product. Tip for cleaning the tumbler. Now this is how it looks after you are done engraving, and I'm going to use this product. This one is LA's Totally Awesome, and you can find this one at Dollar Tree, $99, Walmart, everywhere. See? And this is a cleaner. So you get a paper towel and spray a little bit of this. Then you're going to pass on top, and this one will look shiny like the rest of the stainless steel. See, same color. So now I'm going to wash it with soap and water, and you will see the difference. And this is how it looks after I clean the tumbler. Here is a tip on how to align the tumbler so you can engrave the front and back. As you can see, I put a sticky paper in the center of the first image, and then I can see the back, and I will just place the tumbler exactly in the center, and you will see the tumbler in your camera, and you can position the second image, and the machine will do the rest. And this is the finished product. It looks amazing. With this machine, you can cut or engrave many kinds of materials. And if you want to know more, click on the link that is in the description box. Thank you very much for all your likes, your comments, and for being a subscriber on my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.